best decision I have ever made was the day that I invested in myself. Let me show you how I went from a field engineer to a six-figure online business owner. I know you've been there, stuck in the 9-to-5 job, far from home, and painfully disconnected from your loved ones. The endless hours, the crushing isolation, and the physical exhaustion. Trust me when I say I've been through it all. And I remember exactly how it felt. It felt like a never-ending struggle, a battle that wore you down day by day. Your family, your dreams, all within arm's reach, but painfully out of touch. The work, it consumed your life, leaving you with a constant desire for something more, something better. It's a pain that was eating away at you. The missed birthdays, holidays, and family gathering. I've been in those shoes, and I understand the emotional struggle it can bring. But guess what? It doesn't have to be this way. If you're feeling that desire for a change, if you're tired of missing those precious family moments, and if you've ever dreamed of financial stability, I want you to listen up. I have been right where you are. I was working away from home, searching for a way out. I understand the pain, the stress, the frustrations, and the need for more. Affiliate marketing allowed me to do something incredible. I was able to quit my engineering job in just 8 months. And you know what? I built a six-figure online business in just 12 months. I didn't have any experience, I wasn't tech savvy, certainly did not have all the answers when I got started. I can do it, anyone can.